Welcome, I'm filming a HUAWEI Y5 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. And wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, we can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can either use volume keys or just tap on the option that we want to select. And what you want to select is Wipe Cache Partition, like so. Once you tap it, it immediately starts the process and it's finished. And now all you need to do is just tap again on Reboot System Now, and the device will boot into the Android system again. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would wipe cache partition. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.